Create a virtualenv with both python2 and python3. I tried to use virtualenv wrapper to create a virtualenv with both python2 and python3. Per virtualenv with python2 and python3 via homebrew. I hope this would work. The name of the virtualenv is double. It mentions that. But that does not seem to be true. Typing Python, Python 2.7, Python 3 and Python 3.4 all start the Python 3.4 interpreter.
Sorry, virtualenv is designed to support single interpreter version. If you need to use several Python versions on the same codebase, please create separate virtual environments.
Virtualenv does not support multiple interpreter versions. My suggestion is to use different environment for each of the versions.
Virtualenv help you to isolate environments. It can't support multiple Python version in the same time. You can try pyaf and pyaf virtualenv. It supports you change folder to another Python version and work environment. It switch version very easily. If you can't install pyaf and work on Mac, env can help you to install pyaf. Example.
Is what you want. I know that this is an old question, but I looked here now, and found that the answers aren't updated.
If you want to see more videos and things like